Whatever you do not do what I do. I want everybody to understand that you should never do what I do. I want you all to understand that right now. I do not want you to put away thousands of rounds of 22 because 22 is a useless round. Do not do it. Don't do it like I do it. Do not have extra batteries at hand in case your car battery goes bad. Don't do it. Don't have Opus in case the power goes out and solar panels ready to go. Don't do it. Do not have cutting tools ready to go when you need them. Don't. You don't need none of that. Do not take care of your family. Your family is not worth it. Let them fend for themselves. Let them strangle. You save yourself. Don't do like I do. Do not put your family first. No, you come first. Did that piss you off? Yeah. Those are the type of things that you often hear, man, nowadays. You got to take care of yourself. It's all about you. You deserve all of that crap. All of that crap, it is the reason why we are, as a country, the way we are. I blame man. I blame man because mans are the one who hold the power. And I'm sorry to say this, ladies, but it is the truth. Any rights you have is because men have given it to you. And then let's be honest here. Men run this world. A woman can stay home and the world will continue to run. Not a problem. Every single woman out there can start working right now. And this is not bashing on anything, it's just the truth. Stop right now, stay home, taking care of their family, and the world will go on. Reverse that, and they see how quick the world stops. It's it. And I'm saying all of this because society had led men to believe that, or have led men to believe, or have made men so weak they now believe that they're women. But those two things hanging and the other thing hanging, that gives you manhood. The problem is there's a lot of them who cut him off. So that's why I'm saying, don't do what I do. Don't do it. I mean, if you are a modern man, don't do like I do. Make sure that you leave your kids, just, you know what? Just let them be. Abandon your home. Don't stay there for them. Don't decide one day that you had enough and then your family deserves more time than the one that you give to the company. And be like, I'm done with the company. And I'm going to dedicate my time now to the family. No, don't do that. Don't homeschool your kids. It's too hard. Let them go to public school. Let them get indoctrinated by others. Who cares? It's not going to affect you, right? Don't go to bed every day thinking that, was it a good dad? Don't do that. Screw them. I mean, they already screwed up. Who cares, right? By no means, I'm telling you all to do what I do. Do not tuck in your kids every night. Do not tell your kids, I love you, at least 10 times a day. Don't do that. Do not hold your kids accountable when they screw things up. No. They should not be held accountable. No. They should get a trophy just by breathing. Do not prepare. Don't prepare. It is worthless. Like I said, what do you want to have thousands of 22 rounds? It's a useless cartridge. It's like a BB gun. like a little baby. It does nothing. I mean, every time that you send it to a rabbit, the rabbit just looks at you and laughs at you. I don't care. It's not even considered a firearm. So, who cares? I mean, the fact that there may be millions out there, you know, it's because people are just stupid. And it's not that dependable. This crap, I mean, who would spend $50 in a block of 500 useless bullets? I mean, it's just useless. It would definitely not take down an animal. It would not help you defend your family. Don't do that. Yeah, all of that. You see, guys, I don't want you to do what I do. I don't want anybody to do what I do. Hence the reason what I always say. I'm here to share what I do. What you do is your damn problem, not mine. Whatever your choices are, whatever your choices lead you, is your problem. I made my choices. Same that my parents made their choices, my grandparents made their choices, and so on and so forth. You're going to have to screw things up no matter what. Therefore, if you don't want to learn from my mistakes, please do not do what I do. As easy as that. Here at the Frontier Prepper channel, I'll be honest with all of you. Those of you do I know personally, I do care about you. But at the end of the day, if you screwed up, it is on you. Whether I know you or not, it is on you. So, if you want to listen, awesome. If you don't want to listen, awesome. I think I made both the same. Good. I was planning to do that. Just saying, you guys. Just saying, I don't care either way. It is completely up to you. If you want to be 300 pounds, rolling in the mud, you know, eating corn, that's your problem. That's not my problem. Yes, I call those people pigs. That's your problem. I don't care. I truly don't. Doesn't affect me none. Oh my God, Billy, you're being so offensive. Oh my God, if you get offended, look how much I care. Hold on. Let me do it again. Look how much I care. I don't care. That's the problem. People think that I have to care about their feelings and such. I don't. My God. People nowadays is like, well, you should do it my way because my way is better. I don't care about your way. I care about what works for me. Hence the reason why I share it. If you don't want to listen, don't listen. That's it. Plain and simple. If you don't want to listen to people who actually gone through this BS already, that's your problem. I don't know. People always get so touchy about it. Every single thing. If you're so touchy, just do your own thing, put your thoughts, do your opinion, do it at your own time, but don't go and waste people's time and get argumentative and crap. Just don't do what I do, and that's it. That's as simple as that. I don't know. I've been feeling a little cranky lately, so the calling the BS is coming out a little bit more. So, yeah, for those of you who don't agree with the things that I do and say, don't do what I do. It's easy as that. Anyway, guys, God bless you all. And for those of you who are still here, hope to see you in the next one.